You guys, this is a very special vid today, showing y'all the snowstorm that happened yesterday. Like 6 feet of snow, the front yard obviously, but show y'all from the front. So we're on the way to work yesterday, and they called me to stay home, obviously, because of all this. So we helped a guy from his truck over here, and I got my shoes, ran all the way back into the backyard. But of course, by the time I got back over there, he was already gone. So that was good. But yeah, 6 feet of snow right here. It's our first snow to the new house, so get a view of that. Neighbors are really cool too, so close it back up. Cool. Four-wheeler. Utility room. The backyard. So yeah, 6 feet. It started earlier this morning, so alright. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Thomas is in my room, so I guess I could show. In my room. There he is. Alright. Snow from does. So I'm technically giving you a tour of my room, essentially, so